Hola my friends, this is affordable off-road recovery. The day today we're going to show you how you can replace an ignition lock from this GMC.
Well, I heavily doubt that.
It's really simple. Once you have everything stripped out, it's nothing serious to make things done yourself. So I'm going to show you how this has been done, okay?
What follows is a brief construction montage.
As you see in previous video, we fixed the front of this vehicle. This Chevy is actually Chevy Silverado 2500. We replaced, you know, the hood and a lot of parts from the front, you know, to make it good. But now it runs good for a little bit, and then now I don't want to start.
Oh no.
And what we found is the ignition security system kind of keep lock on us. So what we need to do is take that key first, and that's what we're going to show you, how we can replace a new cylinder.
Let's get to work.
A new cylinder, okay? And the only you need, once you have it stripped it like this, you know, once you have it stripped, the column, you know, just the plastic upside, well, once you have it like this, you only need one of those.
I can't see it.
Okay, and you can see right here where I put the, you know, the needle, you see right there, right here. And basically what you do is this. Let me see how I can make this thing done, because my camera guy is not today.
Oh no, I'm worried. Very worried.
But let me see if I can hold it myself like this, and this is what you need to do. First, you need to open this like this. Once this is the lock is open, you can just do with the finger this. You see, right here my finger. You just go like this, push a little bit backwards like this, and look, it's coming. See how easy?
Awesome!
Really not really hard to put it on. And to put this one in, really simple. The only you gotta do is, as you see, like this, open, okay, the same way you get it out, and go to the front and close it, and look it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is programming the system, okay, to see if it works. In order to programming, you need to open the switch like that until all the lights come on. Right now, disconnect the battery, because you need to make this thing done disconnecting the battery completed. And then go back again. Once this is done, the only you have to do is open the switch, connect the electricity in the battery, and wait about 10 to 15 minutes, 10-12 minutes. With, you know, with preference, don't open the doors, don't open anything, just 10-15 minutes, and it'll come the lock. The normal is here, the lock, a little lock on. That one goes away, and it's automatic programming. Anyway, my friends, this is affordable recovery. That's what we want to show you today. I hope you enjoy our videos. Subscribe with us. Thank you for the patience, and see you in a little bit.
The next day.
Okay, my friends, the affordable recovery. We back with you guys to show you how you can make this thing down. You see this? We have the resistor. You can see really clear. That's the resistor. You only need one of those lines. Okay? And we put this line right here. Let me show you. You know, hopefully you probably familiar a little bit. This one goes there, right? You take it out carefully, put it right there, and then you can solder one of those. See right there? I solder one resistor there into the black and yellow. You solder together, cut it, and it's gonna look like this when you're done. Okay? Hold on.
5 minutes later.
Anyway, so that's what we have here. Okay? So now what we're going to do is, since we already solder, you need to solder those things. We need to put it back on over here, and let me see, just really carefully. You know, I'm not a mechanic. We right there, it clicks. Okay, and now we put the key. We have the key, and now we can just open it and see if it runs. Okay, there you go. It's running. You know.
Beautiful, Pumbaa, beautiful.
Well, in this video you already know how to bypass the security of this Chevy GMC, actually Chevy Silverado, 2004 2500, and well, now it's running. So the only I gotta do is put it together and ready to go. Thank you for watching. This is Affordable Off-Road Recovery. Have a nice day.